Morning. If you are hearing this is a test. You will need to go back to the website and relaunch your YouTube connection later this morning before the actual service starts. We are testing a new system. We're making sure we don't have feedback in the audio. We're also checking the video to see how well it looks under these conditions. Goodbye. On YouTube?